We're back cooking with Sharon, and I just had to show you all an amazing meal prep option. I just got done making, I was doing the $6 a day SNAP challenge for 30 days and created a turkey and rice skillet. So this is something that's super simple, easy, and delicious. And as you see the yield right here, this was off of 4 cups of rice, 1.5 cups, or 1.5 pounds of whatever protein. I use ground turkey, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and some seasonings. Check out the recipe for the full ingredient contents. And this is what it yielded. So this would be perfect and ideal for all the meal prepping. 11 portions. One's missing because someone ate it, but it did yield 11 6-ounce portions. I measured it out. This is a 4-ounce spoon plus 2 additional ounces, and bam, there you have it. So another option for you, if you don't want to meal prep, actually meal prep, if you take the time to do it, it can become very simple and routine. So I love to give you some options. This is one, and check out some other videos on my channel. You'll see some that you can incorporate for your weekly meal prep. This not only will help you along your weight loss journey, but it's just a healthier option in general, just because your portions are measured and counted for, and you're not overeating. So it's a win-win. Check it out. I hope this helps. Thanks for joining us.